Today, I want to show you by the evidences and by the proofs why Dr. Bashar Bizrah is one of the best face and neck lift surgeons in the world, not in the regions, in the world. Let us look at this case with severe deformities after multiple previous face and neck lifting and facial plastic surgeries. Look at this patient's severe deformities before, and look at the deformity in the lower eyelid and lower eyelid retraction following multiple blepharoplasties, and the redundancy in the skin of the neck. Look at the great transformation only 6 days after surgery, when she looks there 20 years younger, not 10 or 15. We fully corrected the lower eyelid, which she visited more than 20 surgeons who refused to correct her eyelid deformity. Why? You see, very successfully being corrected by obtaining some graft from her ear cartilage and grafting the lower eyelid in order to correct this severe deformity of the lower eyelid retraction. We did rhinoplasty, obtained more tip definition narrowing and refinement, and we did revision face, full face and neck lifting, the deepest mass, and you see the nice contouring of the face which we obtained after surgery, which you can see more obvious when looking at the side. If you look at the neck there, zigzag there in the neck, you see now, and looks this as now very nice mentocervical angle, nice straight lines. Look at this, all this being this redundant skin and excess skin being fully corrected, and all these ugly scars being fully removed and revised. And look now at the great evidence and the proof. I said to you, this is the same patient now, only 6 days after surgery. And you see now, look, from this severe deformity to this just very nice, beautiful face, where she looks now almost in her very early 30s. She looks almost now 20 years younger. We fully corrected the lower eyelid, as you see, the nose and the face. That's really the proof and evidence how we do our surgery on the highest standard in the world. And you see how the patient happiness and expressing her happiness, and remind you that we do all our surgeries under full facial nerve monitoring, for the safety of the patient. And you see the great transformation and the great change in her face, and how many years she is looking younger. This is our work, and this is a revision, and the revision is usually a very difficult cases. I wish that you follow this full patient video on our post today, which you can see the whole video of the patient. She is expressing and showing what happened to her nose before in the past, and how we correct and how expressing her happiness. This is Bashar Bizrah, the 30 years experience, certified by a College of Surgeons of England in rhinoplasty, face and neck lifting and blepharoplasty, our center in London and Dubai. Call us for Zoom consultations. Thank you.